We have 4 body types in the Xceed family, but the Xceed will sell more than the other 3 body types together. Why I'm convinced to say that is because in a number of countries in Europe, Xceed, we have been struggling to be successful in Xceed. Why? Because it's the C segment. It's a very competitive segment. It's a very traditional segment where if you are a new brand or a relatively young brand like Kia, it's very difficult to compete. We see in countries like Italy that Xceed is not performing really well, but we are very confident that Xceed will be successful not only in Italy, but everywhere in Europe. It will be very successful. Actually, in the sales figures we have, the forecast we have for next year, it's clear that we have put Xceed, more volume for Xceed than the 3 other body types together. One of the fears we had when we were developing this product, the Xceed, is would it cannibalize Sportage? Sportage is a C SUV. And actually, because we were so concerned, we started to do some consumer research. And as we did the consumer research, actually we found out that there was no cannibalization, that actually customers were completely different. If you want an SUV, you want a bigger, bolder, more spacious vehicle. If you want a CUV, you want something that is, in terms of design, different. CUVs are mainly used in cities. So you don't need 4-wheel drive, you don't need to have this rugged appearance. What you need is actually to differentiate yourself from the traditional sedans, the traditional hatchbacks, and that's what we're trying to do.